Imagine a garden that runs almost entirely on its own. No constant fertilizing, no daily watering, and no waste. Just worms, plants, and nature doing what they do best. This is the BioLoop, where worms don't just compost, they power the entire system. The BioLoop is a closed-loop, self-sustaining garden system. It combines in-bed vermicomposting, native self-seeding plants, deep mulch, and passive watering systems like rain catchment and worm tea irrigation. Everything feeds everything, just like in nature. The heart of the system is the worm tower, a vertical in-bed compost bin where worms break down kitchen scraps. That creates worm castings and liquid gold, worm tea, feeding your soil. Then there's deep mulch, native self-seeders, and a rainwater-fed drip line or OLA system. No synthetic fertilizer, no digging, no waste. You can scale this up or down, backyard beds, patio planters, or community plots. Every element reinforces another. After just a month, the results speak for themselves. Worms are thriving, plants are lush, watering needs down by 70%. And the system keeps improving as the soil grows richer with life. This BioLoop model isn't just for home gardens. If this inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe for more regenerative gardening content from the Wormy Garden, and comment below. Would you trust your garden to the worms?